What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. That is right, guys. In today's video, I got to get that chip off my shoulder. That's right, if you know what I'm saying. That chip is bothering me, and I think we're going to cover it in today's video. And I'm going to help someone do their job, guys, and that's right. I'm talking about my man, Jim Kramer. I don't know what his deal is with not giving Golden Nugget the love it deserves, so we're going to watch a clip. I think we're going to find out why Jim Kramer is being a little biased. And as being a stock analysis, you can't just not give a recommendation because of you're in other deals. So we're going to watch that clip. We're going to talk about it. And I am going to do the whiteboard for you guys, right? The whiteboard's coming out. So stick around. You're going to see me up there doing Jim Kramer's job and giving you facts that he is not able to give you because he's in some kind of sponsored deal or bullcrap like that. So guys, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. So guys, let's get to the video, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, this was from Jim Kramer's lightning round on yesterday, January the 7th. So we're going to get in here, just watch a little bit of the intro. I'm going to get right to where he talks about Golden Nugget, and then we're going to go back and recap on it, and then we're going to go to the whiteboard and let me do Jim's job for him, since he is probably not allowed to do it. So let's get into this clip, guys. Let's get into this.
It is time. It's over the lightning round. Of course, one of those things that and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Dad, it's over the lightning round. Because we're going to start with David in Michigan. David.
Booyah, Kramer.
Booyah.
Hero of us small investors.
Best in show. I'm taking one more.
All right, guys, so I just wanted to stop there. I love his intro. I love how he says, "Are you ready, Skeet Daddy?" Well, I'm going to tell you what, Mr. Kramer, your boy Terry is ready to do your job for you. That's right, and we're going to get into it, guys. And let's hear this call. He says, I'm going to take one more call, and it kind of looks like he regrets taking that call when he talks about Golden Nugget. So let's get in here and see what he has to say.
I'm going to go to Steve in Wyoming. Steve.
Kramer, Happy New Year, and thanks for taking my call.
Happy New Year back to you.
Calling about Golden Nugget online gaming.
Yeah, interesting. I mean, obviously, it's Tillman Fertitta. I have a program that is sponsored by DraftKings. I think the world of them. I think they're doing a great job. New York, by the way, did not make it so it's legalized gambling with a DraftKings or a FanDuel or a PennAt. It's actually going to be like off-track betting, sadly. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the
Kramer, Happy New Year.
All right, guys, so there it is. My man Steve in Wyoming called and asked about Golden Nugget. And Kramer says he has a sponsored deal with DraftKings. So, guys, I think that is our answer of why it has LCA been on here a few times. And Kramer never gives us a true analysis of Golden Nugget. So, it's all starting to come together, guys. I think we're putting these pieces together. As we know, Tillman Fertitta is a part of CNBC, but Kramer has a sponsored show by DraftKings, and he's talking all highly of DraftKings. So, I'm going to give you, Steve in Wyoming, my thoughts on Golden Nugget if you never watched it. And real quick, I want to show you guys. I commented on this video. Yes, I did. And I commented right here. I said, I love Jim, but his response on Golden Nugget was horrible. And I agree to this, man. DraftKings is so overrated compared to Gnog. He knows it, but he can't say it, and I put the 100% there. And that is true, guys. Let's just watch this one more time before we get into the whiteboard.
New Year, and thanks for taking my call.
Happy New Year back to you.
Calling about Golden Nugget online gaming.
Yeah, interesting. I mean, obviously, it's Tillman Fertitta. I have a program that is sponsored by DraftKings.
So right there, he says he has a program sponsored by DraftKings. He loves and adores his DraftKings. And then he also goes in to talk about New York. Let's get in and hear that again real quick.
I think the world of them. I think they're doing a great job. New York, by the way, did not make it so it's legalized gambling with a DraftKings or a FanDuel or a PennNat. It's actually going to be like off-track betting, sadly. Ed?
So pretty much there, that kind of hurt New York, that it's going to be more of an off-track betting. So DraftKings, PennNat, FanDuel, none of them is going to be in there. Neither will Golden Nugget. It's going to be a very dull and boring off-track betting. So guys, let's get to the whiteboard now and let's go over what I think about Golden Nugget. All right, I'm going to take one more call. Who do we got a call from? Steve from Wyoming asking about Golden Nugget. I'm going to tell you what, man. I got a great analysis for you, Steve, since Jim Kramer can't give it to you. Because I am the mayor of Gnogville, and here it is. So, if we look at Golden Nugget compared to DraftKings. Now, Jim Kramer can't talk about DraftKings because he has a company sponsored by DraftKings, and he thinks the world of them. Well, Mr. Kramer, I think the world of Golden Nugget. So I'm going to give you reasons why I think the world of Golden Nugget. Estimated 2021 revenues, guys, for Golden Nugget, $122 million. DraftKings, estimated 2021 revenues, $733 million. That sounds pretty good. DraftKings has more estimated revenues, but if we go down to the next part of the chart here, guys, here is the one I love the most about Golden Nugget. Golden Nugget is cash flow positive, which means they're putting money in the bank, making $122 million, and they're putting money away in the bank to invest. DraftKings, on the other hand, making $733 million. They're cash flow negative, and they're not putting any money in the bank. They're losing money. So I don't get it. Here's the great thing now, guys. In New Jersey, Golden Nugget is estimating their revenue per customer. Now keep in mind, men and women use Golden Nugget's app. They average $566 a customer compared to DraftKings averages $39 per customer, and DraftKings focuses on the young male 30 to 35 years old, and there's not many females at all using that app. So guys, as you know, Golden Nugget currently trades at a 12 times its current revenue, but DraftKings is trading at 19.5 times revenue. So guys, that only leaves me to one thing to say. After doing this analysis, I'm going to do what Jim Kramer should have did. This is a buy. Sorry for my writing. Buy, 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 buy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, includes the lightning round. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that whiteboard lightning round with Golden Nugget versus DraftKings. God, I love doing that. And like I said, I have to do Jim's job for him. So guys, as you know, here it is. I want to go in here and take a look at the new thing here on Robinhood that I thought was pretty cool looking, and I want to show you guys this. And it's kind of showing you the candlestick graph. So let's get in here, guys, take a look at it. If you hit expand, check this out. You can do your different segues now. If I go back here looking at the 1 month, this is pretty cool, guys. I think this is really neat. How you can see the candlesticks now on Robinhood here. Now, I might have been missing out on this, but I think it's pretty cool. So if we get in here and take a look at it, guys, I consider this a buy at $20.10 right now. I mean, how could you not want to buy it at $20.10, guys? I mean, check this out right here. If we look at the 1 month chart, this thing here was trading right here up here at the high at like $26.99, basically $27. And now today we are down here trading at $20.10 roughly at the end of today. So there it is, man. Down here with some great buys too. Congratulations to anyone was buying in under $20, man. That is huge. I know my buddy Wancho loaded up under $20, so congratulations to him. And congratulations to any other family members out there that bought Gnog right here at this price, man. We are poised to go. Now, guys, I know it's kind of hard keeping your, morale up, but I am here to do that. I don't know where Tillman's at. He may have to get another phone call. I gave him a 2-week timeline, so he's getting 2 weeks. So we know we can't count on Jim to come out and give us any help because he's buddy-buddy with Mr. DraftKings. So I am your next best thing for promoting Golden Nugget, guys, and I'm here to do it. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation, guys. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And I'm predicting Golden Nugget's going to have a great week next week because I'm predicting those Q4 December revenues are going to come out on the earnings in New Jersey. So I'm super excited about that. So guys, when they come out, I'll be doing a video on it for you guys. I'm super hyped up. Hope you all love the big monitor in the back. So guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby, baby, baby. Let's